Hey friends, hope you're doing fine. Today I'd like to give you a new resource you can use in order to practice your Power BI skills. Because let's face it, if you want to learn Power BI and create visualizations and reports and try out different things, you need some kind of data first. And oftentimes a question arises, where can I get some data in order to start working with Power BI and practice? Well, the first option of course is to use a source directly provided from Microsoft. So meaning if you go to try data sample and click here, then you can load a sample data, click here. And if you do this, then you get this financial sheet, which you can simply tick either the sheet or the table. If I go with the table, I can see what the data looks like. So I got a segment, country, product, and a few information about that. And I can load that quite easily, clicking on the load option here, and then I can start visualizing something. Now, of course, this is nice that that's available. However, it's not really a complete data model because it's simply a sample file. So simply one specific table with a little bit of information inside. So to get started, it's great because it's for free and you can use it directly, but still you would like to probably have something more advanced to create an own data model, having various tables which you can connect to. And if that's the case, I can give you here one option which I'll share with you in the resource for this video, so you can download it and play around with it. So let me just show it to you. If I go to import data from Excel, so it's an Excel file, it's this called PBI practice dataset. I can simply open it here, and then I just wait a few seconds, and you can see that this dataset provides much more information. It has here the tables, as well as the sheet names, but if you have taken one of my classes, you probably know that I always go with the tables if I can do that, because it saves me some additional cleaning steps, which I otherwise might have to do. So if you take a look at the tables, you can see you got an agents table here with a lot of information about various agents here. You got your customer table here with customer numbers and states where the customer is from. Logistics here provides you some information about that. You got a products table here with information about products here, the size, unit price, unit of measure, and so on. And also then the facts table with all the information which connects then all the dimension tables we have seen, because there is all the information about transactions. So processing date, the month, customer, quantity, and so on. And here you have various columns which you can use then to link your dimension tables to this facts table in here. The last one is a warehouse, which is also small information about warehouse information. So you can use this data set, connecting the tables to get a much more advanced data model, and then you can play around with it and create DAX calculations. You can create your visualizations, your report, dive deeper into that, and then of course also use this to show your Power BI skills to other people, of course, if you want. So I provide this completely for free to you. So if you want to use it, then feel free to download it and play around with it, okay? Because that's the way you basically learn Power BI. You use data sets and then you try out different things. You create your reports, try to design a great report using various options which are available. And of course also play around with various DAX expressions to figure out whether that works exactly the way you want it. The only last thing which is missing here currently is a dates table. I just want to mention this. This is something you can use or always should use if you want to do any kind of time intelligence functions in DAX. So always be aware that you need to also create a dates table, either in a Power Query using an M function, for instance, or you can also do it directly in DAX. But that's something I would highly recommend you want to do if you want to do any kind of time intelligence. Okay, that's best practice, so don't forget that. But yeah, that's it. Just now select the tables, import it into your model, and then get started. Okay? So that's it for this video. If this is helpful to you, then please give this video a like, share it if you want, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. I highly appreciate it. Please take care, stay safe in these times, and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.